Okay guys, in today's assignment, one of the assignments for today, you're going to take a personality test. It's a true colors test. And so how you do this, it says, in the boxes below are groups of word clusters. Look at all boxes in each horizontal row, so across it's a row. Rank the word clusters that is most like you with a 4, then rank order the next 3 boxes from 3 to 1 in descending preference. Do this 4 to 1 ranking for each horizontal row. So this means the one that you think is most like you is going to be a 4. The one that you think is going to be second most like you is going to be a 3. And then 2, and then a 1 will be the least like you. So starting with this row, the first row, if I go down and I read, it says, the first one says active, a busybody, opportunistic, always do things on time, spontaneous, act without a lot of planning or thought. So that's somewhat likely, but maybe not the most like me. So I'm going to go read the B. Parental, likes to take care of others. Traditional, do things by the book. And responsible. So this one is more like me than this one. So right now, B would be my 4 and A would be my 3. But let's keep reading. So C says authentic, trustworthy, harmonious, agreeable, compassionate, caring. So ooh, that one's like me too. So right now, I think maybe C is most like me, so that'd be my 4, and then B would be my 3, and right now A would be my 2, but I need to read the last one. So D, versatile, flexible, inventive, competent. So I think that C is my 4, so I'm going to put a 4 here. B is my 3. A is my 2. And D will be my 1. Alright, so you're going to do this for each row. So if I go down to the next row, E, curious, conceptual, look at the big picture, knowledgeable. So then I'm going to go to F, unique, one of a kind, empathetic, understanding others' feelings, communicative, good at communicating with others. G, practical, realistic, sensible, aware of your surroundings, dependable, reliable. So right now this would be my 4. This one sounds most like me. And then H, competitive, impetuous, act without thinking, impactful, make a difference. So for this one, I would put a 4 here. I'd probably put a 3 here, a 2 here, and a 1 here, which is kind of like I did at the top. So you don't have to do it like that. It's whatever works best for you. That was just a coincidence. Alright, so loyal, conservative, cautious, dislikes change, organized. I kind of like change, so devoted, committed, warm, poetic, in touch with feelings. Realistic, matter of fact, open-minded, welcomes changes, adventuresome. Theoretical, academic, seeking, curious, and ingenious, clever. So this is probably my 4. Again, it's the third one. This is probably, actually I think this one's my 4. This one's probably my 3. And then, ooh, but this one's like me too. 2. And then this is 1. So you're going to go ahead and do it for the last 2 rows as well. Then when you finish, you're going to add all these up, okay? So it says, now add up the following letters to figure out your true colors. Your highest number is your primary color. The colors will be explained. So if I go look at A is a 2, H is a 1, so I'm at 3, K is a 3, so now I'm at 6. Because here's what you know how you do it. You do, my A is a 2, 3, 1. Oops. Two, 3, 1. And then I'd look at N, and let's just say N was a 2. So I put 2. And then S, let's just say it was a 1, so I'd add another 1. And then I just add them up. So 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So I could just do, and y'all can just put the total numbers if you want. You don't have to do like I did. I was just trying to show you guys. So 9 right here, that's really my number. And then whichever one is the highest, after you add all these up, after you add these up, and then you're going to add these up, you're going to add these letters up, and you're going to add these letters up, whichever one is your highest is your primary color. And it is possible that you have ties. And if you're ties, you can just kind of go through the next PowerPoint that I'm going to share with you guys and kind of look at those personality traits and see which ones are most like you. So if you are an AHKNS, this is orange. You're an orange. If you are a BGIMT, you are a gold. If you are if your highest number is CFJOR, you are a blue. And then if you're a DELPQ, if that one is your highest number, you are a green. So those are your color matches. Let me know if you have any problems or if you don't understand. But again, you're just going to add up every row. 4 being the most like you, 1 being the least like you. You'll come down, you'll put your whatever number A is, whatever number H is, you'll add them up, and whichever one of these is the highest number is the color that you're at. Good luck!